Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. A $100 investment in Shiba Inu coin today will provide a $100,000 return, according to Robert Kiyosaki. SHIB updates. On December 5th, as markets continued to digest last week's jobs announcement, the price of Shiba Inu surged. The positive aspect highlights the U.S. job market's ability to withstand higher interest rates from the Fed and raises the prospect of a Goldilocks scenario in which the Fed continues to hike rates without causing significant job losses and the economy to continue growing. That would be great news for stocks and would give Monday's cryptocurrency market a boost. In this video, we'll go over what Robert Kiyosaki said about how investing $100 in Shiba Inu coin today can make you rich. SHIB updates. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. Shiba Inu's mind-boggling 8% intraday increase in the Asia-Pacific session on December 5th. As traders scratching their heads, Chinese government easing actions, significantly loosening its COVID policy, supported that upward rise. The U.S. job data indicated a very resilient sentiment, which might initiate a turnaround. The Fed is nearing its pivot, and usually rates are dropped immediately afterward, so there's optimism for a soft landing. To solidify the present breakout, SHIB must close today above the green ascending trend line, which is an important objective. In this manner, the area above the trend line can be regained by the bulls and used to bolster the rally. Near the R1 resistance level for December, you can expect to see the 55-day and 200-day simple moving averages smash close to 0.00000000 and $1,100, respectively, before reaching 0.00000000. There is a precarious balance between all asset classes right now. All it takes to disrupt the existing correlations is for a single Fed member to make a headline that says something different from what the markets are expecting. The previously stated equity tailwind could then disintegrate, collapse rapidly, turning into a headwind that causes prices to fall below the green rising trend line near the amount of 0.00000900 USD. You can anticipate support, keeping tabs on the moves made by the largest players in the cryptocurrency industry might help you anticipate substantial shifts in the market. The market can be swung up or down by these massive players who are called whales. You can monitor crypto whales transactions in real time with easily accessible web tools, all because blockchains are transparent. A new on-chain research suggests that crypto whales is heavily invested in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu presents a more nuanced case because the breed is still too often stereotyped as a meme currency that can make you rich fast. Shiba Inu deserves credit, though, because the meme coin's developers have been actively working to increase the coin's value. Raising the burn rate for Shiba Inu was the most revolutionary change. With an initial quantity of 1 quadrillion coins, Shiba Inu will need to keep burning coins until its price reaches $1. This meme coin is still only worth 0.0000009177 USD due to the enormous Shiba Inu surplus. Shiba Inu has likewise been working to make its coin more useful. One example is the new online metaverse world that Shiba Inu has been creating, where land can be bought and sold using cryptocurrency. In order to get Shiba Inu accepted as a real payment option, it also creates agreements with stores and real-world merchants. American Airlines is one example of a company that has recently won. You can use Shiba Inu to pay for your plane ticket when you're ready to plan your next getaway. Markets are typically influenced by crypto whales. This dynamic is analogous to that which occurs in the stock market when large hedge funds and individuals like Warren Buffett influence the decisions made by individual investors about certain stocks. As a result, keeping tabs on these whales' activities might help you predict market movements and gauge mood more accurately. Looking through the cryptocurrency holdings of big whales can provide you with some solid trade ideas. You may also learn more about the token holdings and portfolio allocations of the world's largest crypto investors. When it comes to the volume of cryptocurrencies traded every day, Binance is the undisputed leader, following the sale of all of its FTT assets and the subsequent collapse of FTX. It has even managed to establish itself as one of the biggest players in the crypto market in the past several weeks. Binance is obligated to achieve victory. A possible new drop could be on the horizon now that SHIB has retested a support level it had previously breached. Bullish scenarios can only be formed if there is a persistent barrier and consolidation over $0.000000. As the meme coin reached a 3-week high on December 5th, Shiba Inu was another prominent gainer. subsequent to which it hit rock bottom on Sunday at 0.000000009253. The Shiba Inu is now trading around a critical resistance level, having reached its highest point since November 11th, thanks to today's gains. SHIB bulls decided to cash out their previous holdings and collect profits instead of continuing to push the token over this ceiling of $0.0000001010, and the current selling price is $0.0000009866. Meanwhile, the relative strength index RSI is getting close to 56.00, which is its own resistance level. The current trading price of the index is 55.39. The genuine article is Chris Capra, a former top hedge fund. By broadcasting his trade tips in real time, he is assisting hundreds of traders with his straightforward options trading approach. The initiative has reportedly burnt up an astounding 3.27 billion SHIB tokens, according to the official Twitter feed of the SHIB Superstore. It is anticipated that this project would continue to burn billions of SHIB tokens in the years to come, as it started doing so in November 2021. The process of burning tokens removes currencies from circulation. To make it permanently unretrievable, the coins or tokens are typically sent to an address without a corresponding private key. The previous week saw 223 million SHIB tokens burned, while the latest 7 days saw 50 transactions completed and 126 million SHIB tokens burned. These whales went through 3 separate processes on December 6th, transporting around 280 billion Shiba Inus. On Binance, someone unloaded hundreds of millions of dollars. These whales, which have not been named, have carried more than 280 billion Shiba Inus on 3 separate trips. Curiously, one of the whales made a sale on Binance worth hundreds of millions. Anonymous wallets have transferred over 281 billion SHIB tokens in the last 24 hours, according to Etherscan data released by the Shiba Play Twitter account. This came after sales of 115 billion Shibas on Friday. The following 3 Shiba Inu were included in the 3 transfers reported by the Twitter user: $120,670,363,906, $83,341,872,681, and $77,950,331,254. The initial trust word of that. For the time being, this address is where crypto stays. On the other hand, the 83.3 million and 77.9 million Shiba wallets cannot be discussed. The 2 wallets exchange SHIB. They are now completely out of Shiba Inu, transferring 83,341,872,681 SHIB to a different wallet allowed the buyer to repurchase Shiba in 3 large transactions. There were 243,639,085, 269,636.464, and 269,490,967 Shiba Inu in these quantities that he said he purchased. All 3 of these emails promptly forwarded the full shipment to different locations. Whales make money off of the present price volatility of the second biggest meme coin by purchasing Shiba Sat when it drops in price and selling it when it briefly increases. An anonymous whale sent 114,952,894,138 SHIB to a wallet that ends in -7E6C on Friday, according to CryptoCoin.com. Following then, a Binance wallet received this substantial amount of Shiba with the intention of selling it. At that time, the sum of Shiba was about $1.4 million. Etherscan reports that all 4 wallets simultaneously transfer substantial amounts of Shiba to a single Binance address. The day came to an end with that. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.